Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's easy tips I'm going to show you on how to switch to Yandex Browser in Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here from your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to settings. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to search engine. Click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on here, manage search engine. And this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you locate Yandex. Then click on here, click on this three dots right there and simply hit on make default. It's as simple as that. By the time you come back here and create a new tab, by the time we refresh, you can see now we have search Yandex right here. It's as simple as that. So we can start searching or type your URL right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply search from Yandex using your Chrome browser without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.